The P0018 code indicates a mismatch between the crankshaft and camshaft position on bank 2 sensor A. This typically involves the intake camshaft on the engine's right side in V6 V8 engines. It means your engine control module detects that the signals from the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor are not aligned as expected. This misalignment can negatively affect engine timing, performance, and fuel efficiency. Early diagnosis and repair are crucial to prevent further engine damage. Several factors can trigger the P0018 code. Common culprits include a faulty camshaft position sensor or crankshaft position sensor, worn timing chain or belt, a malfunctioning VVT solenoid or oil control valve, low engine oil pressure, or damaged wiring. ECM software glitches can also cause the code to appear. Regular maintenance, including timely oil changes, is critical in preventing many of these issues. Addressing these issues quickly will prevent larger problems down the road. Begin by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0018 code. Check live data for sensor voltage and timing alignment. An oscilloscope can visualize signal waveforms for more in-depth analysis. Inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of damage or corrosion. Prioritize non-invasive steps like replacing sensors before considering more complex repairs. Accurate diagnosis is essential to ensure the right fix and avoid unnecessary expenses. Replacing faulty sensors often fixes the P0018 code. Start by purchasing quality camshaft or crankshaft position sensors from a reputable supplier. Disconnect the battery before starting to avoid electrical issues. Carefully remove the old sensor and install the new one, ensuring proper connection. After replacement, clear the code and test drive the vehicle to verify the repair. When sensor replacement doesn't resolve the P0018 code, the issue may lie with the timing chain or belt. These components can wear over time, causing misalignment between the crankshaft and camshaft. Inspect the timing components carefully for signs of wear, such as stretched chains or damaged belts. Look for excessive slack, missing teeth, or oil contamination that could indicate impending failure. Check the timing chain tensioner, which maintains proper tension. A faulty tensioner can allow the chain to slip, leading to timing correlation errors. Ensure it moves freely and holds tension. Replacing a timing chain or belt is a complex procedure that often requires specialized tools and engine disassembly. Due to the risk of improper installation causing severe damage, professional assistance is typically recommended. Failing to address timing issues promptly can result in catastrophic engine damage, including bent valves, piston damage, or complete engine failure. Early detection and repair are crucial for preventing costly repairs. A malfunctioning VVT solenoid or low oil pressure can trigger the P0018 code. The VVT solenoid controls oil flow to adjust valve timing, and any blockage prevents proper operation. Inspect the VVT solenoid for clogs or damage. Dirty solenoids like these shown here restrict oil flow and cause timing issues. Check the engine oil level and pressure. Low oil pressure prevents the VVT system from functioning, as it relies on oil to operate the actuators. To resolve these issues, flush the engine and replace the oil with the correct viscosity. Proper oil ensures adequate pressure and lubrication for the VVT system. Ensuring proper lubrication is vital for the VVT system's performance and helps prevent the P0018 code from recurring. When dealing with a P0018 code, deciding between DIY and professional repair depends on the complexity of the issue. Simple fixes like sensor replacement can often be handled as a DIY project if you have basic tools and confidence. However, more complex repairs, such as timing chain replacement or diagnosing ECM issues, require professional expertise to avoid further damage. If you're not comfortable working on your engine, seek help from a qualified mechanic. Professional diagnosis and repair ensure the job is done correctly, preventing additional problems and maintaining your vehicle's reliability. Preventative maintenance is crucial for preventing P0018. Regular oil changes with synthetic oil every 5,000 miles help maintain proper oil pressure and lubrication for VVT systems. Telematic systems in newer vehicles, like Ford Sync or GM OnStar, can alert you to potential issues early by monitoring oil levels and sensor data. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostics that can predict failures with up to 90% accuracy, reducing downtime for ICE vehicles. While the rise of electric vehicles will diminish P0018's relevance, proper maintenance remains essential for internal combustion engine vehicles. Stay proactive with maintenance to keep your engine running smoothly and avoid costly repairs.